All right, my friends, this is the Hydro 4 Corded Robotic Pool Cleaner. It is an automated pool vacuum for both in-ground and above pools. It has a huge 4.1 liter filter basket. It can climb the walls to clean your waterline. This pool is a solid 40 feet long, so we're really going to test that out. It has 5 adaptive cleaning modes, right? So there's a regular mode, a fast mode, an ultra mode, like just clean the bottom of the pool mode. And then there's also a waterline mode, which cleans the walls and along the waterline. In terms of suction power, it has dual turbo brushless motors. Anytime you have an electric motor that's brushless, you're definitely going to get more power out of that. It produces 570 gallons per hour of suction flow, which is a good solid number. It's supposed to be able to pick up leaves, sediment, fibers, hair. That'll be a big test in our pool. We have a big fluffy dog and other kinds of dirt. You're watching it go now, and one of the positives about it is obviously this is a large, complicated pool. It has really sophisticated algorithms to clean it all evenly, and because it is corded, you're not limited to that battery time. Like, this baby will run all day if it needs to run all day to get the pool clean. Hey, you've been watching it go through our dynamic pool, cleaning all kinds of stuff. What I wanted to talk about was with this POOLMATE Hydro 4, I was a little concerned initially about the corded feature. Number one, I can control the robot easily using Bluetooth on my cell phone because the receiver is where it's plugged in over there, so that's amazing. Number two, and I think the most important thing, still there's a little tip in here for you, is even though it's so powerful because it's corded, it is ultra lightweight. This is so light compared to most of the bots that I work with because there is no big heavy battery in it, so it makes it much easier to pull it out of the pool. Now here's my tip for you. Still, once you get a hold of it and you're going to pull it out, give it a moment to let all the water drain out. Otherwise you're lifting all that water and it's still heavy. But if you give it a moment to let that water drain out of it, it is ultra light. So here we have this ultra light powerful robot which we've been watching clean. I think it's time to open this up for the first time, see what's inside. All right, so here it is. I will say again, it is so easy to work with. Even this cable, which is very long, goes the whole length of this giant pool. No issues whatsoever. Coils up nice and easy, super light. And this is the first time we're opening this up. Let's see what we've got. Woo, we've got a lot. I think I'm gonna have to talk to the pool cleaner. Let me show you this. So normally this involves a whole presentation about how we're in a pool cage here in Florida, so there isn't a whole lot of dirt, but I have been using this for maybe a week and a half, and this pool is now super clean. So if you want to talk about how big the debris is that it can pick up, look at the size of these leaves that it grabbed along with all of that dirt. Wow, that is really impressive. Okay, so now we've proven that it'll grab all the dirt. What do you say we take it outside? I'll show you how easy it is to clean this off. Okay, so all you need to do to clean this out is obviously the top opens up, which you've clearly seen, but the bottom opens as well. So now all we gotta do is spray it. Look at that. Look how easy that cleans up. Obviously, you want to spray in the direction of the filter, right? You don't want to jam the stuff further into the filter. You want to push it out, where you just, that direction, spray out the interior. Simply close it again. That's it. We're ready to go put it back in, and it is ready to clean again. That is all the maintenance you need to do. How easy is that? All right, let's wrap this up. I think I have to say, in all fairness, just so you know, this was provided to me to do this review. So this is my honest opinion on it. And I am so impressed because I was really very skeptical going into it. Like, the whole corded thing seemed to me like not the lifestyle I wanted to live. But I have to say, it really has opened my eyes to the advantages of doing this, dropping the weight of the battery in the unit, giving you the communication ability from the side of the pool so easily on the app, and all at the same time, not making life any harder, not reducing the functionality of it. To me, it seems like a win-win. Now, definitely gonna have to make some decisions for yourself, what you want or you don't want. Obviously, if this is cleaning in the pool with the wire, you can certainly still use the pool. There's no functionality thing like that. But like if you have kids and that kind of stuff, you really want them swimming around with the wire where they can drag the machine, get caught in it, all that kind of stuff. I think for that particular situation, I might opt for the battery myself, where it's my wife and I can come out here in the morning on like a day off or whatever, plug it in, let it go, pull it all out, clean it up, put it away. super easy. I think there are a lot of advantages there. So you're gonna have to make your own personal decisions. If you're interested in it, there very well may be a link right here on the screen. If it is not there, it is in the description. It really helps out the channel if you use that, lets people know that you're watching. And I'm gonna say thank you in advance. While you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, put a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you're thinking. All right, welcome to the past. You've already seen the review, all the fun stuff, but I know you wanted to stick around and see what the unboxing is like. What actually comes with this POOLMATE Hydro 4. Let's jump in here and see what's inside. All right, so let's see right here on top comes instructions and what's enclosed within the box. Here's the tethering cable. I only know that because I cheated and looked. Here is the power control box that the tethering cable connects with. I might be able to pull this off somewhat gracefully. Wow, this is a huge container for debris. And the final item out of here. So I'm just gonna point out, did you see how easily I pulled this out? That's because the battery is actually in this unit. So this is unbelievably light. Check this out. How cool looking is this? You already saw the review, but I'm looking at it for the first time. We obviously have the brushes front and rear, tracks on either side, a little brush to stir up the debris underneath to get sucked in. I guess there's really only one thing left to do. You guys can check out, go watch another one of our videos now. I am going to use this so I could talk to you in the future. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.